Hi, I'm May from Langmaster Learning System. In this lesson, we will learn names of over 100 common foods and dishes. Let's get started. Part 1. Breakfast. Toast. Toast. Fried egg. Fried egg. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Pancakes. Pancakes. Waffles. Waffles. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Cereal. Cereal. Croissant. Croissant. Sandwich. Sandwich. Hash browns. Hash browns. Part 2. Fast food. Burger. Burger. French fries. French fries. Fried chicken. Fried chicken. Hot dog. Hot dog. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. Pizza. Pizza. Onion rings. Onion rings. Taco. Taco. Part 3. Snacks. Chips. Chips. Popcorn. Popcorn. Cookies. Cookies. Dry fruits. Dried fruits. Crackers. Crackers. Chocolate bar. Chocolate bar. Granola bar. Granola bar. Fruit snacks. Fruit snacks. Peanuts. Peanuts. Gummy candy. Gummy candy. Part 4. Savory dishes. Stew. Stew. Curry. Curry. Sushi. Sushi. Chicken wings. Chicken wings. Pork ribs. Pork ribs. Meatloaf. Meatloaf. Meatballs. Meatballs. Bacon. Bacon. Sausage. Sausage. Steak. Steak. Part 5. Vegetables. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Carrot. Carrot. potato, potato. Onion, onion. Cucumber, cucumber. Tomato, tomato. Broccoli, broccoli. Green beans, green beans. Celery, celery. Part 6. Fruits. Avocado, avocado. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Orange, orange. Mango, mango. Pineapple, pineapple. Grape, grape. Watermelon, watermelon. Strawberry, strawberry. Blueberry, blueberry. Peach, peach. Plum, plum. Pear, pear. Fig, fig. Part 7. Sauces and spices. Ketchup, ketchup. Mayonnaise, mayonnaise. Mustard, mustard. Hot sauce, hot sauce. Barbecue sauce, barbecue sauce. Vinegar, vinegar. Olive oil, olive oil. Salt, salt. Pepper, pepper. Cinnamon, cinnamon. Paprika, paprika. Soy sauce, soy sauce. Fish sauce, fish sauce. Part 8. Side dishes. Kimchi, kimchi. Pickles, pickles. Mashed potato, mashed potatoes. Coleslaw, coleslaw. Garlic bread, garlic bread. Cucumber salad, cucumber salad. Part 9. Desserts. Cake, cake. Pudding, pudding. Flan, flan, ice cream, ice cream, jelly, jelly, cupcake, cupcake, donut, donut, brownie, brownie, muffin, muffin, tiramisu, tiramisu, crepe, crepe, pie, pie. Part 10. Drinks. Water, water, tea, tea, coffee, coffee, juice, juice, soda, soda, milk, milk, smoothie, smoothie, milkshake, milkshake. That's all for today, guys. Hope this lesson helps you communicate effectively. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'm May from Langmaster Learning System. Bye bye!